Hello everyone, myself Narayan Pawar, HOD of Electrical Department at Praveen Patil, College of Diploma Engineering and Technology, Bhayandar. Department Electrical Engineering, Subject Electrical Substation Practices, Subject code is 22633, Semester 6. Today we have to study the location of GIS. GIS is nothing but gas insulated substation. So where it is located? It is located in industrial complex, in large towns, valley, underground, seashores, lake, desert area, HVDC terminal station, compensating substation. So these are the point where the gas insulated substation easily installed. Industrial complex means some industrial area which is interconnected from this substation. So we can easily feed the electric power to the industry with the help of gas insulated substation. In large towns, there may be no possibility of the electric supply through the company. Then to supply the electrical power to the town with the help of gas insulated substation. Means near to that town we have to install the gas insulated substation and easily feed electric supply to the large town. Then another is the valley or the mountain area. We can easily install the gas insulated substation for in underground purpose. Easily locate the gas insulated substation near to the seashores or the lake. Gas insulated substation may be installed in desert area, just like Rajasthan. There also the gas insulated substation easily located. HVDC terminal substation, then compensating substation. So these are the location of gas insulated substation. Now we have to see which are the advantages and disadvantages of the gas insulated substation. So in advantages, space saving. Space saving means the space required as 1/10 of the conventional substation. So these types of the substation is required less space as compared to the conventional substation. This is the most important advantages. Means all component are enclosed and filled with the SF6, and so that the space of the equipment are reduced because all equipment are totally enclosed and filled with the SF6, and hence space saving is important. So less space required as compared to the conventional substation. Next advantages for the safety purpose, very safe as compared to the conventional substation. The operating personnel as well as operating panel are protected by the earth metal enclosures. So this power plant or this substation is very safe as compared to the conventional substation, and the operating channel are connected to the earth metal enclosure. Next, economical condition. That is the high flexibility and application is versatile, provide the overall economic concept. That is the economical advantages of gas insulated substation. Next, weight. This substation is having the very less weight. Lightweight aluminum enclosure are the used inside the GIS or inside the gas insulated substation. Next, foundation cost. Foundation cost of the gas insulated substation is also low because no civil engineer are required to make the foundation of gas insulated substation. The foundation cost is the lower and small space. This is the most important advantages of gas insulated substation. Next advantages on the basis of times of erection. Very less times of the erection are the required as assembly parts of the gas insulated substation. Means within a times we can easily assemble the parts of the gas insulated substation and continuity supply maintained. There may be the no pollution, so it is the protection for the environment and no pollution hazards by using gas insulated substation. Next, dielectric strength. Dielectric strength of the SF6 means sulfur hexafluoride gas is 3 times the air dielectric strength. So these all are the advantages of the gas insulated substation, means saving the space as the less space is the required as compared to the conventional substation. Safety purpose, it is very safe there as compared to the conventional substation. Then economical is high flexibility and application is versatility. Provide the overall economic concept. Weight is also less. The light weighted aluminum enclosure are the use. The foundation cost is the low because no civil engineer are required to make the foundation of gas insulated substation. So foundation cost is reduced and a small space. Times of the erection is very small, means we can easily assemble the parts of the gas insulated substation within a times. No pollution, that is also the advantages of the gas insulated substation. And dielectric strength of the SF6 gas is 3 times the air dielectric strength. That is the advantages of the gas insulated substation. Here some disadvantages of gas insulated substation is also the cost is comparatively is higher. This is the disadvantages. In case of the internal fault causes the excessive damage because of the totally enclosed and all equipment are fit inside the cylinder or total enclosed pipe and filled with the aseptic gas. Now in case of the internal fault occur, then there may be the lot of damage the internal parts and we can't easily remove that types of the fault because totally enclosed in cylinder or the pipes. So that is the disadvantages. In case of the internal fault causes, then it is excessive damage of the internal parts of the gas insulated substation. Repairing is not very easy because of the totally enclosed. We can't repair very fast and we can't repair within a times. That is also the disadvantages of the gas insulated substation. This is the indoor installation requirement as the separate building to install the gas insulated. So that is the disadvantages of gas insulated substation. So these are some advantages as well as the disadvantages of gas insulated substation. Okay, next we have to see the comparison of gas insulated substation with air insulated substation. Okay, these are the some points comparison with air insulated substation and gas insulated substation. So first, for the air insulated substation is the large area installation may be the required, and for the gas insulation substation there may be the space is the less space required as 1/10 of the space is the essential for the gas insulated substation. So this is less space required as compared to the air insulated substation. Then dielectric strength of the air insulated substation is the less and dielectric strength of the gas insulated substation is more, 3 times the air insulated substation. Then installation time is much more for the air insulated substation and installation time is very less. We can easily assemble the parts of the gas insulated substation within a times. So less times is required to installation the substation of gas insulated. Indoor and outdoor application for the air insulated substation. Gas insulated substation used for only indoor and underground purpose. Then cost of air insulated substation is the medium and the cost of gas insulated substation is higher as compared to the air insulated substation. Overall weight is more of air insulated substation. The weight of gas insulated substation is very less Air pollution are generated with the help of the air insulated substation, and there may be the no pollution in gas insulated substation, and hence it provides the protection to our environment. Then gas insulated substation is less safe as compared to the gas insulated substation, but gas insulated substation is more safe as compared to the air insulated substation. Means more safe insulated gas insulated substation and less safe air insulated substation. So these are the comparison between air insulated substation and gas insulated substation. It is a most important question and always asked in exam for the 4 marks. So student, you have to always remember each and every points of the air insulated substation as well as gas insulated substation, which will help you to score in the exam. So you have to remember each and every points of the gas insulated substation as well as the air insulated substation, which help to increase the score in board exam. Okay, so this is the comparison, and this one the advantages of the gas insulated substation depend upon the space. So I repeat again the advantages and disadvantages. Advantages depends upon the space, as the less space is the required as compared to the conventional substation. Safety purpose, it is very safe, and economical is a high flexibility and applicable for the versatility and provide the overall economic concept. Weight is less, foundation cost is reduced because of no civil engineer are required to make the foundation of gas insulated substation. Time erection is very less, as assembly the parts of the insulated substation within a times. There is no pollution by using the gas insulated substation. This is the advantages, and dielectric strength of HFC gas is 3 times more than the air dielectric strength. These are the advantages of the gas insulated substation. Next, we have to see the disadvantages of gas insulated substation. Cost is comparatively high. In case of the internal fault occur, then excessive damage the internal parts of the gas insulated substation. Repairing is not easy, means we can't easily repair the internal parts. So repairing is not easy. This substation is used for indoor application only. So indoor installation required separate building. So these are some disadvantages as well as advantages of gas insulated substation. And where it is located? The substation is located in industrial complex, large town, valley, underground, seas, near to the lake, desert area, HVDC terminal station and compensating substation. So these are the location points of the gas insulated substation. So we have to always remember the location of gas insulated substation also. Okay. Thank you students.